So today mga sis is mag-unboxing tayo. So yung tinatawag nilang Hungryroot. So ako yung mga na-try before mga sis like Marty Stewart, HelloFresh, Ipron ba to? So ako yung mga na-try nga ni. So na yung mga ingani maong i-try na mo mga sis. Usa sa reason na gusto na ho i-try o gusto ma-try sa partner is healthy si siya plus dili na kam grocery kung tapulan kam grocery ngadto unboxing tayo mga sis. Ooh, healthy food. Sila chicken.
See, I never ordered that. And then I went ahead and ordered it when I was doing it. I was adding on, but I never did order it, so I don't know what's going on with that. Okay.
Chicken tikka masala.
What is it? Chicken? You got chicken? What's that? Got a lot of food, huh?
Yeah. What is this?
Oh, slow down, man. Stand up if I can.
Cheese.
Do them on the top. Two. What is it?
What's so many? Sausage, meat, fish.
That fish?
Yes.
All kinds of stuff, huh? Maybe we should go back there. I can reorder it.
It's like cookie dough. They have cookie dough that
Small.
sour cream. Yeah,
Refrigerator.
that's it.
Oh, gizmo?
So, mga tanan mga sis.
There, man.
So, yung mga snack, mga sis food, no? Amo na ni pantilawan. Hi, Dad.
How's my girl? You know the cookies?
Kasama ko kayo today. Alis tayo. Aha. Ito yung grocery namin mga sis. Cat food.
Just a minute, I'll come and talk to you, okay? I got this for that bee's nest. Look it up there. Look at that.
Good, thank you.
About to help you some of these soft ones.
Maunigikan sa Filipino store. Nani ka plastic bawarag usa. Usa pa sa parchment. Nawag pa nito. So nakauli na may mga sis no, na-arrange na nako tanan ng mga pinag-grocery na mo. So gusto na mo mag-snack o nachos. So make ka og nachos mga sis. Dali rin na sila mga sis. Wajud mi kasuroy og tarong mga sis kay grabe traffic ngadto. Grabe mga sis oy. Di malanglang. So ganyan lang yung nachos namin mga sis. I-try natin. Nawa naman eh. Ay. Good.
It's their luxuries there. They have
O, diba? Ang sarap ng dinner for tonight.